Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open the Settings app on your Realme phone to start. Scroll or use the search box to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility to open the main accessibility controls and options. Look for Accessibility Shortcut inside that menu and tap it to view shortcut behavior. If a triple press is assigned, toggle the switch to off to disable the shortcut. Confirm the change by pressing back or home to return to your home screen. This stops accidental activation from quick button presses. After disabling the shortcut, open Installed Services within Accessibility to remove enabled tools. Tap each service such as Talkback, Magnification, or Color Inversion to inspect status. For any service that is on, tap it and toggle the switch to off to stop its function. Confirm prompts by choosing Turn Off or Disable when asked to confirm changes. Repeat for every accessibility service you do not use to prevent accidental reactivation of features. Close Settings after finishing to apply the changes immediately. If menus differ, use the settings search bar and type Accessibility to find options. To troubleshoot shortcut issues caused by apps, boot into Safe Mode from the Power menu and test behavior. Press and hold power, then tap and hold power off until Secure Mode prompt appears, then confirm to enter Safe Mode. If problems persist, back up contacts, photos, and files before considering a factory reset to restore default settings. After reset, re-enable only the accessibility services you actually need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.